just going to bring you a cuppa. Yeah.
I've got to do some prep for tomorrow, or I'm going to have Kim on my tail.
Remind me, this is Cat and Alfie's wedding, isn't it? Not Kim's.
You first.
Yeah. Okay. I should have told you I was going to be helping Cindy now, but she's the girl's mum. She was struggling. Everything with Jimmy's diagnosis, Lauren and Peter, thrown her through a loop. I thought I could help. But I should have been up front with you.
Yeah, you should. Doesn't excuse my behaviour, charging in there and creating a scene.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry too.
Gina told me that Junior got back from Dubai last night. Why don't we throw a lunch? You know? Be great to hear how Xavier's getting on, and it's a good opportunity to bring the family back together again.
That's a lovely idea. I might have a little surprise up my sleeve too.
And what is it?
Well, it wouldn't be a surprise if I told you.
Well, no.